Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Wi-Fi sharing feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, we have to open our settings. And after we have opened the settings, we can go to the connection setting. This one, and then scroll down to find the mobile hotspot and that ring. Click on this option and then go to the mobile hotspot. And if we want to enable the Wi-Fi sharing feature on our phone, we can click on the network's name and then go to the advanced setting right here. And you have to scroll down to find the Wi-Fi sharing feature. This one, you just need to click on the circle button to activate this Wi-Fi sharing feature. And right after you activate this feature, anytime you have Wi-Fi connection on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you will be able to share it to others. And you can click on the save button to save the setting. Alright guys, and that's how we can enable the Wi-Fi sharing feature on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.